What is good, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and I'm back at you with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be installing the Whiteline transmission support brace, or whatever it's called. It's a very easy install. Like, hardest part is actually getting it in, because it's a tight ass fit. That's what she said. But it's super simple. It took a little longer than it should have, because it is very, like, even using grease, it's still hard to get in there. And man, everything I'm saying is just bad. But it's gonna be a short video, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, today I'm gonna install the Whiteline transmission mount for the MT82, the manual ones. So this is what it looks like. Simple mount to put in the old one they have that has spaces, and I drilled a 1/2-inch hole in the middle because it's recommended to stop as much like chatter from it. So all you need to install it is, I'm going to use an impact, you don't have to, 19mm and a 17mm, and then I would recommend putting grease on the mount to make it slide in easier. And then I'm going to use blue Loctite, so when I put the bolts back you don't have to, but I'd recommend it. And then so it's pretty simple. You need to jack your car up, get your jack, and you want to jack the transmission up. I'll show you when I get under there. Okay, so I know it's hard to see, hold on. So you want to just jack it up so it's up a little bit to hold the transmission. And then these are 2 bolts you got to take out, and then 2 bolts that were there, and 2 bolts right here. So 19 for the 4 and then 17 for the 2. And make sure this goes back in the right way. You don't want it to go a different way. So those 2 little bolts were 15mm. It said 17 in the instructions, but mine were 15. The top ones were 19. And then I got 1 bolt left in. Should come apart. Okay, so we got it in. Kind of hard to see. I already put the brace back on. But make sure you put it going towards the end of the car. Brace is already back on, tightened down, so I'll do some test drives with it and let you know how it is. Alright, so I'm going to try to show you the Whiteline transmission brace or support thing as best as I can. It's right there. Sorry if you can't hear me too well, it's raining, but it's right there. It's this right here. So when you install it, you want to push it in towards the front of the car, not towards the back, towards the front. So when you install it, you're gonna push it in this way. I know it's hard to see, it's terrible down here, I don't have much room, but yeah, it's an easy install when you just push it in. Yeah, it's that simple. Sorry I didn't show you like pushing it in. It was kind of a pain in the ass to push in, but definitely worth it. And then the brace is back on. Sorry about the rain, but like I was saying, when you install it, push it in towards the front of the car. That way. Don't go this way. Go that way. Alright, and if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate it so much. For you guys that actually watched the whole video, thank you. But I've had the Whiteline transmission support, I don't even know what they call it, I'm sorry, forgive me, I forget the name. It's in the description and the title, so you'll know the name. But I've been using it for over 2 years now, maybe closer to 3 years, and I have no complaints about it. I know a lot of people say it's pretty loud and it makes it chatter. I did drill the 1/2-inch hole in it like they recommend, and I have no issue with it. I don't hear the chattering. It doesn't make the transmission louder, and I definitely recommend it. It makes it, I wouldn't say smoother, but you know, if you have an MT82, you know that these things are not the greatest, but it definitely makes it more bearable. I don't hate the MT82. I know a lot of people do. I don't. But it definitely makes it more bearable and like nicer shift, I guess you'd say. But But yeah, this is where I'm ending the video. So if you'd like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.